I remember when I was young that I used to hate seeing the dentist. Just going into the surgery, the smell of the clinic used to make me really, really nervous. So that's why when we thought about this practice, we wanted to make it spa-like as much as we could. So we've got aromatherapy smells, trying to get rid of that dental smell really.
Yeah, and we've got music and we play a lot of calm tones just to help calm your nerves down. So as soon as you walk in, you don't feel the anxiety of seeing a dentist.
I think for a lot of patients, especially the ones we've seen so far in Brackley, is that they feel very anxious or worried about what we're going to think about their teeth. And they feel a bit like, oh, I don't want to book that appointment because I'm worried what the dentist is going to say, or really nervous of treatment. So my biggest thing to all my patients who I see, I always say to them, look, they're in complete control. For me, the biggest thing they do is just book that first appointment. And in that first appointment, when you book it, you speak to our really friendly front of house team who will just guide you through your forms, make things really easy. You can do online forms as well. And when you come to our practice, you realize that there isn't that distinct smell of a dental practice that usually when I used to go young and feel really nervous, that I used to smell and think, oh, I'll get nervous.
We spend time just getting to know you and what your worries are. We don't ignore them. We want to know what we can do to help you to overcome this fear and what we can do to help you and get treated and get the smile that you want. Just knowing what your fears are so we can try and avoid that. So even if it's simple things like, oh, we don't like the pokey thing, we will explain when we're going to use it and how we're going to use it so it's not as scary as you think.
I think a lot of it is just a fear in your mind, I always find, and getting that first appointment and sitting in the chair, the biggest thing is just start talking. So you just tell us what you're worried about, what your fears are, and then we can sort of take you through the journey of opening your mouth, looking at your problems and giving you options. So usually it's not just one option that people have, it's more than one. And it's for us to sort of explain things, talk about the different options, the pros, the cons, and then give you a plan. Now here at Signature Smiles, we have designated sedationists. So this is a dentist who basically we bring in for our really, really nervous patients who can come in and do something called IV sedation. So that's where you're not put out to sleep like general anesthetic, but you're calm and you won't really remember anything. And so we can do big treatments in that one go. So when you come out of the sedation, all the treatment that you want done is done. It's gone and you won't remember it either. So there's lots of different things. Obviously we try and avoid that as much as we possibly can, because we all think it's nice to build that trust with us and get confident just seeing dentists on a normal basis. But if there are patients who sort of have real bad anxiety or worried, so we do have
We offer IV sedation. And even if it means getting your initial stabilization phase under IV and then future, we try and build your confidence just getting regular checkups done without any sedation. All our treatment plans are bespoke. So even if you tell us, this is what I'm more anxious about, I just want to sort this part, we can tailor your treatment plan to you.